Dylan dropped the bag with a heavy thud and unzipped it. Nate, meanwhile, broke a thick branch off a tree and hurled it into the river with so much aggression it startled Sam. Then Dylan handed us the BB guns. Only they weren't. "They're real," Dylan muttered. "Not toys." I laughed at first, thinking it was a joke. But when Nate pulled out a pistol and started firing into the trees across the river, I realized with sinking horror he wasn't kidding.